Big storms might be a little scary, but truly cataclysmic weather can be downright devastating. Economic losses from hurricanes, floods, typhoons, and other horrible stuff top $200 billion annually. And the impact is felt everywhere, in industries ranging from tourism to agriculture, fishing, and air travel. In fact, more than a third of global GDP is affected by natural disasters. The scariest part about climate change for business is not the increased severity of storms, but an increasingly unpredictable world where storms catch everyone by surprise. So while politicians and scientists spent the last couple decades deciding if climate change was real or not, the business and tech worlds turned to a new kind of cloud for weather predictions. This big data revolution, with its massive storage farms and supercomputers, has spawned a rapidly growing world of hyperlocal, real-time forecasting. Take Superstorm Sandy, for example. 3 days before the storm hit, forecasters were able to determine landfall within 10 miles of its actual location, which allowed millions of people plenty of time to prepare and evacuate. Now roll the clock back to 1970, when the National Hurricane Center's landfall predictions were only accurate within 518 miles. By 1990, that number improved to 345 miles. But that's still the distance between Philly and Boston. So yeah, big data has basically turned weathermen into magicians. Even the White House has caught wind of big data. President Obama launched climate.data.gov in March 2014 as a tool to help web developers create the next breakthrough in weather predictions. Google joined the cause by committing 1,000 terabytes of storage for satellite images and climate models. Vulnerable industries, big and small, now have access to a wide range of tools that monitor live weather patterns and make strategic decisions. These decisions might be something big, like rerouting ships to safer ports, or relatively little stuff, like alerting a restaurant that it's a good time to stock up on lettuce before the big drought. Most scientists now agree that the weather is only getting messier. Storms are getting bigger, and they are showing up in some pretty unlikely places. So while the clouds get more unruly, there is a chance that the cloud arrived just in time to ensure that getting caught out in the rain will become a thing of the past.